missing out on a lot of fish. In sooth, I know not why I am so sad. Oh, come on, Shakespeare, you're doing fine. I've forgotten how to dream, Peter. I know you think that fishing will help me feel successful or give me some sort of peace in my miserable life, but all it's done is make me feel like even more of a failure than I already am. Perfect Peter catches every fish, and sad Simon catches nothing yet again. Just one fish. That's all I ask. Just one. Maybe then I could learn how to dream again. Well, I don't think that's entirely true. I haven't caught every fish. Simon, look, okay? You're only trying to catch big fish, all right? Either at the docks or back at home. If you want to catch fish, you have to think like fish, feel like fish, love like fish. Then all the fish will come to you, and every fish you catch will be your favorite fish, no matter what the size. Well, that's easy for you to say. You catch every fish that you try for, and you once caught the biggest fish that ever was. Come on, Peter, just help me find that perfect fish. Look, it's harder than you think. It took a lot out of me just to catch the fish, and when I caught it, it wasn't what I expected. Well, I'm not afraid, Peter. I want my life to be extraordinary. Please, Peter, please, just take me to where you caught it. You don't know what you've gotten yourself into. Let's go out to deeper waters. Absolutely breathtaking out here. Yeah? Doesn't get much better than this, does it? So, where's the fish? Oh, it's here. We're just gonna have to jump in and get it. Sure, we could sit here and wait for it, but maybe the fish has been waiting for us. We don't know. Maybe the fish has been waiting to catch you. So you could risk it all, jump in and dive right to the fish you've always wanted. Or you can do what you've always done. Wait. Oh, what's happening? Peter, what are you doing? It's the fish, Farley. It's testing you.
Greetings, travelers! I am Gideon, the guardian of the great kingdom. Behind these gates, yes, those gates, is every dream you've ever had. However, these are not just mere dreams. They have potential of becoming a reality in your life. But be warned, this is only a mirror to your life on the surface. The longer you stay here, the less there is to reflect. Thusly, if you wish to stay forever, then there will be no possibility of your life becoming what you have seen, therefore erasing the existence of the great kingdom and sending you into a watery grave. It is one thing to live your dreams, but it is another thing to make your dreams your life.
Simon, it's your life the way that you see it. But, where's all the people? Where's my family? My father wrote this. There they are. It's my family. We're all along the shoreline, a wide shoreline, lounging and laughing and watching the waves. There's my mom and dad, sharing and talking in memories. My sister and her husband, playing with their newborn baby boy. And my love. Standing beside me with her golden hair glowing in the sunlight. There's no fear. There's no more pain. There's no more debt. We all can be happy and live together again. This time, forever. Peter, I have to make this real. This has to become a reality. Well, it is real. You have it within yourself. But how do I do it? They are here. They don't see what I see. And even if I told them, they wouldn't believe me. And they'd probably smile and find it encouraging for a while, but then nothing would change. Everything would stay the same. You know, I've been fighting for years, Peter. No, I can't do it anymore. I can't make someone happy who doesn't want to be happy. I can't love someone if all they see is fear. I can't. Some fists just won't bite, Peter. There's the love. Now I know exactly what this kingdom is here for. To be or not to be. That is the question. I could go my whole life without this place ever becoming real. How am I supposed to go back after seeing exactly what I could miss out on? I can't. I can't be a failure again, Peter. I won't. To die. To sleep. To sleep, perchance to dream. I'm staying. Gideon, do you hear that? I'm staying. I don't care if that means I'm dying. It doesn't matter to me anymore. I'd rather have nothing than let everything be taken away from me. Stop! Peter, what do you think you're doing? You can't stop me by now. Yes, I can, Simon. Gideon, I will stay in this place. Look, Simon, when I first came here, I wasn't alone. My friend brought me here. And when I wanted to stay just like you do now, he died for me so that I could live the life I'd always dreamed of. You see, I owe my life to him. So I've been fishing for you, and you've been fishing for me. I'm the biggest fish you'll ever catch. And maybe someday, when you've lived your life to its fullest, you can bring somebody else here so that they can have the chance to live their life the way that they have always dreamed it. I love you, Simon. After all, death is only the end if you assume the story is about you.
So, relax and make your life extraordinary.
I awoke on the boat, and Peter was gone. My best friend died because he loved my life more than I did. But he didn't just save me that day. He convinced everyone of how much of a gift our lives really are. Every day I worked and sweat and bled for my life and for the lives of the ones I love. But in the end, my life didn't turn out the way that I had seen it in the great kingdom. But it was mine, and it was more beautiful to me than anything I could have ever dreamed.